Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is my daily rant. And the daily rant today is about freedom. Freedom that Microsoft should give its users on so many levels. The first one, of course, we talk about it. It's about using a Microsoft account, forcing people into using a Microsoft account, because that's what you got to do. And that's what you got to be, and that's what's going to work. And you get to a point where it's like, why are you always forcing everybody into an account? Honestly, this is something that I understand. You want people to use your services. You want people to, use every aspect of what it's all about. I have no problem with that because I do find that the advantages of having a Microsoft account far outweigh any disadvantage there could be, as I use a lot of the features for Windows, including the sync feature for, files on OneDrive and stuff like that, the settings. But not everybody wants to do that, and a lot of people have just one PC, so they don't have that much advantage on one PC. On one PC, you're not, if you buy a new PC, it's easier to set up. But apart from that, on one PC, there's not that much advantage on Microsoft accounts. And of course, the eternal problem of diagnostics and feedback that many people want to have completely turned off. Well, you can't. You can turn off the optional, which is adding more telemetry, but the, required diagnostics is always there. And of course, yes, there are ways, with registry fixes and stuff to change that. But the problem is most people don't know that. And, that's another one. Microsoft always is getting a problem with trust. And, well, trust goes with the fact that you also leave your users choose what they want to do. If they want to share or not some data, if they want to connect or not to a Microsoft account, let the user decide what he wants to do. And that's it. So that's my daily rant for today. Microsoft, wake up and, give freedom to your users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.